How to quickly plus effectively use honey for blackheads removal. Most people know honey is a sweet, yellowish-brown fluid made by bees. But did you know it has been used for many health and beauty benefits? Did you know you can use honey to remove blackheads? Blackheads, or open comedones, generally occur when hair follicles become clogged with oil, dirt, dead skin cells, and other impurities. As there is not much skin to attach to, they become open to the air. The top layer becomes oxidizes and turns a dark black color. This is where the name comes from. These occur most commonly on the nose, arms, face, chin, chest, back, neck, and shoulders. What about honey for blackheads? Does it work? It acts as a natural antibiotic and helps to pull dirt from skin pores by clearing blackheads. It hydrates and tightens skin pores for clear complexion. It naturally peels blackheads from affected skin. It nourishes and moisturizes skin to get natural shine. It contains antioxidants, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties that help remove blackheads by destroying germs or impurities that clog pores. It has low pH levels that falls between 3.2 and 4.5, which is far too low for bacterial species that cause acne and blackheads. How to use honey to treat blackheads. 1. Plain, apply raw, organic honey to your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with lukewarm water and then cold water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. 2. Warmed with apples, peel the apple and cut it into slices. Blend into a pulp. Add a pinch of chopped mint and a tablespoon of cornmeal or uncooked oats. Warm a tablespoon and add it to the mixture until it forms a thick paste. Apply to your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse with warm water. Repeat regularly for best results. 3. With oatmeal and tomatoes, mix a cup of oatmeal, a tablespoon of honey, and the juice from 3 tomatoes to make a paste. Scrub the paste on the affected areas. Let it sit for 10 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse with water. Repeat regularly for best results. 4. Use it as spot treatment, dab a small amount on the affected areas. Cover with small bandages and leave it overnight. Remove the bandage and rinse the next morning. Repeat regularly for best results. 5. With egg whites, mix an egg white and a teaspoon of honey. Apply to your face and allow it to dry. Rinse with water. Repeat regularly for best results. 6. With an oatmeal mask, mix a tablespoon of ground oatmeal, 1/2 tablespoon of honey, and an egg white. Apply mixture only to the affected areas. Massage gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat regularly for best results. 7. With almonds, mix a teaspoon of finely crushed almonds with some honey to make a paste. Apply to your face and allow it to dry. Rinse with water. Repeat 1-2 times weekly for best results. Note, this process cleans the skin by drawing out impurities. 8. With sugar and milk, mix a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of honey, and some milk to make a paste. Gently scrub a clean face with the paste. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse with tepid water. Repeat as needed. 9. With sea salt, mix a teaspoon of raw honey and a pinch of sea salt. Exfoliate the affected areas by rubbing gently in circular motion. Rinse with water. Repeat as needed. Lemon and honey for blackheads. Lemon contains alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, and beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, which helps to remove dead skin cells and clear blackheads. It clears dead cells from the skin's surface and controls oil production, preventing oil buildup. 1. Honey with lemon. Cut a lemon in half and pour 3 to 4 drops of raw honey onto the piece. Rub the lemon half on your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Repeat 1-2 times weekly for best results. 2. Warm honey with lemon. Warm a small cup of honey. Cut a lemon in half and dip it in the warm honey. Scrub the lemon slices on your face, focusing on the affected areas. Let it sit for 5 minutes or until it dries completely. Rinse with water. Repeat every other day for best results. 3. Honey with lemon. Boil water. Drape a towel over your head and stream your face, leaving a minimum of 12 inches from the hot water. Mix a tablespoon of raw, organic honey and fresh squeezed lemon juice in a bowl. Apply all over your face while avoiding the eye area. Let it sit 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your skin sensitivity. Rinse first with warm water followed by cold water to close the skin pores. Pat dry with a clean towel. Applying moisturizer or serum. Repeat as needed. 4. Honey with lemon and salt. Mix equal quantities of honey, lemon, and salt. Gently massage the affected area with the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with water. Pat dry with a clean towel. Repeat as needed. 5. Honey with strawberry and lemon juice. Strawberries have salicylic acids that cleanse out the open pores and unplug blackheads. Mix a teaspoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 2 to 3 ripe, mashed strawberries. Apply to your face and gently scrub in circular motions for 3 to 4 minutes. Rinse first with warm water followed by cold water to close the skin pores. Repeat as needed. 6. Honey with lemon juice and oats. Oats exfoliate the skin and absorb excess oil while lemon kills bacteria. Mix 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice in a small bowl. Apply to your face and gently massage in circular motions for 30 seconds. Rinse with warm water. Pat dry with a clean towel. Repeat as needed. Honey and cinnamon for blackheads. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that remove dirt in pores and gently removes excess sebum on the skin's surface to prevent blackheads. This is a great honey and cinnamon mask for acne. Mix a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 3 tablespoons of honey to make a thick paste. Apply to the affected area before bed. Let it sit overnight. Rinse with warm water in the morning. Pat dry with a clean towel. Repeat daily until noticeable results are visible. Precautions and tips. Lemon has some bleaching effects. Time and quantity varies by skin type. It is best to do a test on a patch of skin before using a honey mask for blackheads. If you do not suffer from any side effects like irritation, excessive dryness, or burning sensations, proceed with the treatment. Always use pure, organic raw honey to prevent skin irritations. Use thick and sticky honey for best results. Try to use the perfect honey that contains antimicrobial properties, that is Manuka honey found in New Zealand, which has been medically proven to be very effective.